was at first. Gotta watch the road. 3 balloons in the sky. Right. Wow. It's really something. Get up in the morning, take a drive out on the interstate. Well, actually, I've been up all night. I'm not getting up in the morning. I got up last night, or yesterday afternoon, actually. But get in the car and drive home and see hot air balloons floating around everywhere. Anyway, this is what my drive home looks like. Woo-hoo. Not much traffic. Yeah, I'm actually liking my morning commute, and I don't know, I keep coming up with ideas to make videos. I wasn't planning on breaking out my phone while I was on the interstate, but I saw those hot air balloons and thought I would do it. And anyway, that's what I'm doing. I guess I better turn this thing off. Ain't no need to make too many videos. Alright, talk to you later, bye.